What's up everybody, Gabe here, and today I'll be installing aluminum foot pedals on my MK7 Golf, and it also fits on the GTI and the Golf R pedals as well.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
So if you're interested in something that's very cheap, like $80 on ECS Tuning,
you should get these pedals.
This is what they look like. Here's the dead pedal. We got a accelerator, the clutch, and the brake right here. It should be fairly easy, except for maybe I might have a little bit of trouble with this dead pedal right here, but I believe the clutch and the brake, you just pull this rubber off of it, and then on the accelerator you just slide the aluminum pedal on. All right, pedal number 1 is on. Boom, easy. This is what it looks like in comparison. Some people say you have to take this panel off, and I've heard that you don't have to. You could probably just pry it back a tad and be able to pull the whole thing up. So I'm gonna try to do that. All right, I'm slowly just lifting this up. There we go. There's a couple tabs behind this that you can just push your fingers in, and you should be able to release it. All right, got it out. The hardest part is probably gonna be putting this back in, this metal dead plate. So there's 2 tabs right here, and they go here and here. And then there's like this little pointy thing. It's gonna go in a hole right where my ring finger's at.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right guys, this is what it looks like with my interior. It definitely ties in perfect. They look sporty, they look like the car came this way. So I'm very happy. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.